friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I'm very happy to share our videos with you. So in this module, we're going to start our new chapter, that is trigonometry. So without wasting your time, we'll start our first exercise, first problem. So what is that here is the first one. In the right angle triangle ABC, 8 centimeter, 15 centimeter and 17 centimeter are the lengths of AB, BC and CA respectively. Then find the sine A and cosine A and tangent A. So actually the shortest form of cosine A is cos A. Then shortest form of tangent A is tan A. So we're going to write it. What is that angle ABC? So let's going to write it here A, B, C. So actually everybody will start from A, B, C like this from the left side, but here angle A is there for our convenience we are started here. So this is triangle ABC. Then where is the right angle? So let's going to take right angle at B. So this is right angle. Then right angle is nothing but the angle is 90 degrees. But what they are asking here is, so they are asking us to find sine A, cosine A and tangent A. So what is the angle they are asking? The angle will be equal to, so A. So from A they are asking what is the sine A. So this is the reference angle. So from this A we need to find the sine A and all the given data. First triangle ABC is right angle triangle. So what you can say, right angle triangle. Based on this we need to, so trigonometry always all the triangles will be right angles only. So what are the conditions what they are given here? The conditions AB, BC, CA. First value AB is 8 centimeter. AB is 8 centimeter. Then what is the BC? BC is 15 centimeter. So BC is 15 centimeter and CA is 17 centimeter. So what you can say here is, before going to that we should know what are the bases and angles. So this is the angle and this is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is always opposite to 90 degrees, opposite to right angle. So that is opposite to the 90 degrees. So for this hypotenuse is opposite. So based on these conditions we need to find what is sine A. So what is actually sine here? The sine A is nothing but sine A will be equal to, for this angle, opposite side by hypotenuse. Sine is nothing but opposite side by hypotenuse. So you can write it like this, opposite side by hypotenuse. So what is hypotenuse here is, so opposite side by hypotenuse, let's going to write it. Opposite side is what? For this angle. From always angle is the base thing. So from angle for this opposite side is BC. So BC by hypotenuse is nothing but AC. So BC is equals to what? That is 15 centimeter. Then AC is equals to 17. So this is the value of what you can say. This is the sine A. Then what is cosine A? So cosine A, that is nothing but cos A. So cos A will be equal to, for this always adjacent side. So for the angle A, adjacent side. So what you can say here is adjacent side by hypotenuse. So for sine and cos, below this denominator always it is hypotenuse. So what is this value? Let's going to write it for this value here is, so what is that? Adjacent side for the angle A. This is the, so we should not consider hypotenuse. So AB is the adjacent side. So this is adjacent side. This is opposite side. So this is opposite side, this is adjacent side. That is AB by AC hypotenuse. What is the AB value? 8 centimeter by AC is nothing but 17 centimeter. Then what is another value here is, so cos A we are tangent A. So that is tan A is equals to sine A by cos A. So you can write it like this also, sine A by cos A. So that is opposite side by hypotenuse, adjacent side by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse also we can write it like this also, opposite side by hypotenuse, I will write capital 1, then adjacent side by hypotenuse, where hypotenuse will going to cancel. So here hypotenuse will going to cancel, then opposite side by, what you can write it, adjacent side, opposite side by adjacent side. So what is opposite side to the A, angle A? So opposite side is BC, then adjacent side is AB. So what is the value you will get it? Opposite side is BC is nothing but 15, then adjacent side is 8 centimeter. So like this we have to find the values which they are asking. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.